Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Doyle here from Premier RV out in Bluegrass, Iowa. Today we're going over the new Venture SportTrek Touring fifth wheel. This is the 353 VRK floor plan. This is the second floor plan in Venture's new line of fifth wheels, which is their first fifth wheels ever. This one's incredible. It's got an amazing rear kitchen inside, and it's got other stuff that Venture is known for, which is awesome outdoor kitchens, incredible bedrooms, and very great and durable construction. Make sure to leave a like and comment and let me know what you think of this floor plan. And make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any future videos. And let's get right into this one. Stepping inside, you'll see the spacious and unique floor plan. Let's, of course, start with the main feature, which is the rear kitchen. This whole back wall is your kitchen, and to the side there, which gives you this very large window for some beautiful views. And it's the blackout roller shades, the best shades out there. You get a top shelf up here. Of course, your things aren't going to slide off because the edge is taller than the shelf itself. Large single basin undermount sink. Of course, you got your sink cover here. Got the high-rise faucet with the pull-down sprayer. And of course, you got some storage underneath. You got cabinet on each side. And 4 drawers. 2 outlets there. And 2 more on this side with your light switch and your metal Venture logo there. Just a cool little addition. And right here, you just don't see this on other RVs. You got an 18-inch GE General Electric dishwasher. You got 2 levels here. Just an awesome addition, especially if you're going to be living full-time in this baby. Second part of the kitchen, another cabinet, more drawers. Got your Furrion oven, 3-burner cooktop, and your Furrion microwave. You got this awesome island here with some more storage underneath that. 10 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator by Furrion. Residential style. This thing's awesome. Again, if you're living full time in this. You got your freezer on one side, fridge on the other. Two theater seats here, heated and vibrating. 2 cup holders in the middle. There's your USB ports and your outlet. And of course, this comes up, and of course those recline. Next up, you got your couch, which also turns into a pull-out sofa. I know it might not look like it fits, but it did. I tested it out, trust me. That can sleep 2 or maybe 1 kid, depending on how big they are, for some additional sleeping space. You got outlets back there for anyone sitting on this or sleeping on this. Above, more outlets and Bluetooth ports. You got a little shelf here with the north, south, east, and west directions. More cabinet space up here as well. You got this incredible entertainment center that Venture is really known for. 50-inch TV, JBL soundbar, 5,000 BTU fireplace. You got tons more storage space, especially up top. That goes pretty far back, as you can see. You also have your dinette tucked over here in the slide. You get the 2 chairs, and then you get these 2 bench seats. And each one opens up just like this for some extra storage. You also have this awesome light up top that is much better for dining. For the stairs, heading up here, perfect. Put your shoes under, keep them out of the way. Before we move further, here is your control panel. You got the EasyTech RV Control app. You got your RV airflow system with the Coleman Mac AC, 13.5K BTU. Right here you also have your 30 amp solar controller for your 200 watt solar panel that's on the roof. Now into your bathroom. On the left side, porcelain foot flush toilet, spot for your towels, large medicine cabinet, and you got your sink with storage below. Of course, your medicine cabinet again, fan up top, and here's your shower. The glass door, got an awesome seat, and a nice skylight. Over here, 2 outlets, water heater controls, and light. Now heading into the bedroom. Another thing Venture RV is known for is their bedrooms. And this one's no different. You got a sleep tight king bed. You got a shelf on each side. Both sides have 2 outlets and 2 USB ports for your phones or CPAPs or whatever while you're sleeping. Not only that, you get storage below on the struts so you don't have to lift anything up, as you can see. You get this awesome front bench seat with 2 outlets and 2 USB ports and storage underneath. This is awesome just for sitting at and looking outside. Your front window. On each side, you have a shirt closet. And I should mention this, when you pull this shade down, just magnetically attaches there. 13.5K Coleman Mac AC again. Controls there. Awesome feature of this one is you get the slide out control for the bed slide actually in the bedroom so you can see it come in and out. This is a problem a lot of people have. I have it when I'm putting these fifth wheels out on the lot and taking videos of them. You're controlling the slide out from out there and you just can't see it, so this really is an awesome feature that you might not really think about when you're buying, but it is awesome. Dresser with tons of storage space and a 5,000 BTU fireplace. This lifts up as well for some storage. And you got your 3 drawers. And up above is your TV backer location if you want to add a TV. Your hookups there. Outlet, pre-wired for Wi-Fi. Then you got these 2 closet doors here for even more storage. You got 3 shelves and some storage below for shirts, underwear, socks, all that stuff, whatever you want. And a motion activated light there. Then on this side, more room to hang stuff up, another motion activated light, and your washer dryer prep right there. If you're not installing that, you got more room to hang up stuff or any other storage. This bedroom is incredible, as are all Venture bedrooms. So now let's head back outside and take a look. Let's start with this incredible outdoor kitchen. Got a 40-inch TV with the swing arm, suburban griddle, large mini fridge. You got your sink. You get a loud, which sounds incredible, JBL outdoor speaker. Light up top, USB ports there, and some storage. Venture RV makes the best outdoor kitchens. No questions about it. This thing's incredible. Perfect for the summertime. On the door, you got the Lippert screen defender, which is great for pets. They can scratch at it all they want, but they're not getting through it. And I press that, and it automatically closes for you. Got the step above steps by MoreRide. These things are incredibly durable and stable, and have a 500-pound weight limit. You also got your lease latch there for your pets. It's got the weather shield, forced heat, and enclosed underbelly. Keep you cool in all the elements. Goodyear Endurance tires with aluminum rims. And for this slide right here, you have a BAL NXG slide. Super durable. Keeps your slide against your camper extremely well and tight. Got the MoreRide suspension CRE 3000 independent suspension. This is going to give you the smoothest ride possible. There's your auto leveling jacks right there as well. We'll get to where that control panel is in a second. Here's your pass-through storage. Incredibly spacious. Definitely the most spacious I've seen in the industry. Not only that, but you have this net here that if you have bigger items, maybe a kayak or something, that you can definitely fit in here. You need some extra space. You just take that down so you can access this extra space right here. LP tank, you got one on each side. It's your front cap there. You got the MoreRide pin box. This is going to reduce chuck when you're driving and towing your RV, and it gives you jerk-free starts and stops. Front storage here. There's that net, of course. There's where your battery goes. Battery disconnect. And up here is your 1200-watt sine wave inverter. And right on the front, very great spot for it, unlike some RVs. You got the BAL leveling system. Super user-friendly and has great memory. So you only need to set it how you want once, and it'll remember it for you. There's the landing gear there. And of course, back here you get your two leveling jacks. Other LP tank there. And here's the other side of the pass-through storage. Right here is your convenience center. There's your satellite cable there. Two outlets. Winterized, dry camping, all that stuff. Outdoor shower hookup. Here's your Fagatti tankless water heater. 50 amp hookup. There's your Suburban furnace. It is a 30,000 BTU furnace. Tires again. And again, there's that NXG slide. And on the bedroom slide, it is a NXG exact cable slide. Cable slides are great, as you got 2 points on each side for it to pull in. And again, like I said, you can access that slide in the actual bedroom, which is great. On the back side, you got your ladder that leads to your roof where you can see that 200-watt solar panel. Prepped for a backup camera if you want to add that. Of course, you got that large rear window. 2-inch receiver, which is a 300-pound hitch weight and 3,000-pound tow weight capacity. And your 4-pin harness. And this one also has a BAL NXG frame. This frame is the best in the industry. No welding except for aesthetic purposes, but all the support comes from the Huck bolted frame. Of course, I'll leave a link in the description for more information on that. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to leave a like and a comment on this video. Let me know what you think of this floor plan. And make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. If you want to learn more about this fifth wheel or other units we have in stock, check out our website, premierrv.com, or come check us out in person in Bluegrass, Iowa. I'll leave the rest of the contact info in the description. Thanks for watching, everybody, and as always, happy camping.